Have you ever wondered why osteoarthritis affects knee joints more than the other joints? Why do so many people in India suffer from the knee pain? They have difficulty in walking, climbing stairs, and cross-legged as they age. The answer is not just aging, it's biomechanics, lifestyle, and unique demands placed on the knee every single day. In this video, I will explain the real science behind the why knee joint is most commonly affected joint by osteoarthritis. So hello everyone, welcome to MedVision. In this video, we are discuss about why osteoarthritis affect the knee most. We all know that osteoarthritis is the most common joint disorders worldwide, but the knee joint is particularly vulnerable. In India, knee joint osteoarthritis is seen in a large number of adults, especially they after the age of 40 to 50 years. Many people believe that the osteoarthritis occurs simply because of age. While aging does play a role, but actually reason is more complex. The knee joint experience enormous mechanical stress throughout the life, making it one of the most overloaded joint in the human body. So let's understand the some reasons behind the joint. So reason number one is the knee joint is a weight bearing joint. We all know that the primary function of knee joint is support body weight. Whenever we stand, walk, run, climbing stairs, squat, and getting up from chair, our knee bears significant load. In research shows the walking can place forces of 2 to 3 times of body weight on knee. Climbing stairs can increase forces 4 to 6 times of body weight, and deep squatting can generate even higher compressive forces. Imagine the repetitive these movements thousands of times every day for decades. Over time, the cartilage that cushion of the joint gradually wears down and increasingly risk of osteoarthritis. The second reason is unique lifestyle habits in India. One important reason in osteoarthritis is a common in India is lifestyle and the cultural habits. Many people frequently sits cross legs during working, using squat toilets, and perform deep squatting during household activities. Sit down low surface for prolonged periods. These positions require extremely knee position in flexed position and place additional stress on the joint surface. When these activities are performed repeatedly over many years, especially the individuals with weak muscles and excess body weight, risk of cartilage degeneration is increased. The third most common reason is muscle weakness or a poor joint support. And the knee does not have deeply bony stabilized like hip joint, but instead it relies heavily on quadriceps muscle, hamstring muscle, calf muscle, and the ligaments. When these muscles become weak, the knee joint loses its dynamic supports. As a result, knee joints became uneven, shock absorption decrease, and the cartilage experience great stress. So this is why the other doctors or physiotherapists focus heavily on the strengthening exercise in osteoarthritis management. That is the most common cause. The fourth reason is most common found in India, that is obesity and increased joint loading. Even extra kilogram of body weight significantly increase the load transmitted through the knee joint. Studies suggest that even a small increase in body weight can multiply forces across the knee during walking. This means more compression on cartilage, faster wear and tear, and increased inflammation, high risk of osteoarthritis. This is the most strongest modifiable risk factor of osteoarthritis. Fifth reason is biomechanically alignment problem. The knee function like a hinge joint, but a proper alignment is crucial. Conditions such as bow legs, the varus deformity, or knock knees like valgus deformity, the flat feet, and abnormal walking patterns can alter the force of distribution inside the knee joint. Instead of load being evenly distributed, one side of the joint experiences excessive pressure and accelerating the cartilage degeneration and osteoarthritis development. We all know that the real biomechanics behind the knee joint osteoarthritis. Think about the cartilage like smooth soaking absorption cushion. Heavily the cartilage allow the bones to gliding smoothly without any friction. But over the time, the excessively loading, the poor alignment, muscle weakness, and obesity, and the repetitive stress causing the cartilage to break down. As cartilage wears and tears away, the joint space decreases, the frictional friction increase, and the bone changes occurs. Joint pain and stiffness also may develop. This is the process we call osteoarthritis. So the reason osteoarthritis is most commonly affected knee joint is simply the knee joint is one of the hardest working joint in human body. It carries our body weight, shock absorption, and perform countless movements every day. Combined with lifestyle factors, obesity, muscle weakness, and the biomechanical stress, it became perfect targeted for osteoarthritis. As a therapist, understanding these mechanics help not only to treat knee pain but also prevent the further joint degeneration. So if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mad Vision for more evidence, physiotherapy, and rehabilitation content. Thank you for watching this.